In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to have your iPad read to you. So the first thing you need to do is go into your settings and click on the General tab, and then from there tap on Accessibility. And from Accessibility, you're going to tap on where it says Speech. It's about the 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one from the top. I'm tapping on Speech, and then the top one where it says Speech Selection, you're going to want to make sure that switch is turned on. And then before you leave settings, you're going to want to make sure that you have the speaking rate down at the bottom where it has the turtle and the rabbit, and that determines how quick or how fast the speech will talk back to you. So I always put it just a little bit less than half. And you can adjust that as you need to. So I don't know if you heard Siri speak that or not. But then if you go to any website or any text, just about any text, and you press down and you highlight the text, and then where it says that, when you get that menu, it says speak. And I don't know if you'll be able to hear this, but we'll try. Tap on speak.
Do you know which eagle is the official Eden Prairie eagle? Searching for the answer to the question would point you to countless variations of eagles, but not one that Eden Prairie Schools has officially claimed as its own.
So you have that, and I just took that off a website. And you can also do it like on a PDF. So if you did this, oops, it's going to reload my PDF here. Sorry about that. So then if I was this is a PDF, and I would go highlight the PDF again. And just highlight the entire text I want it to read back to me. And then I can hit speak again, and it'll start speaking.
Your task is to become an expert on an African topic that you will be teaching your classmates about via a 3-5-minute iPad created Google presentation. There is a list of potential topics to choose from at the bottom of this paper. If you would like to do a topic not on the list, talk to me. All reasonable topics will be approved.
And that's it. So that's all you need to know about how to get your iPad to talk to you or read text for you.